Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Equilibrium quantity changes can be tricky when supply and demand both shift at once. Let's solve this competitive market problem together in just 60 seconds. First, consider an increase in demand which shifts the demand curve to the right. This specific movement naturally pushes both the equilibrium price and the equilibrium quantity upward in our market. Next, we look at a simultaneous decrease in supply, which shifts that curve to the left. This change forces the price up, but pulls the equilibrium quantity down quite significantly now. Because these shifts pull quantity in opposite directions, the result is indeterminate. This makes option D the only logical choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush on signs. Trust the given shifts to check your steps.